Good morning all, myself Chandra, and in this session we will discuss about the task that you need to perform. And in MySQL database, create a table with the technologies table name, and within this table you can expose the services from Mulesoft to insert the records and also to get the technologies details and to perform an update operations on the technologies table to update the technologies details and also to delete the technologies record. And we are going to perform this as a CRUD operations, and these CRUD operations we need to implement as a MuleSoft services. Here I am going to provide the table script and also the insert statements, select statement, and update statement and delete statements. So this you can use and you can perform the operations from MuleSoft. So these values to be dynamic, you need to pass them as a parameterized values, and you have to send an payload request to MuleSoft service. From that MuleSoft service, you need to map the properties as parameters. And this example of details we are going to use within the batch processing, how we can pull the records from technologies table and how can we process it. Thank you.